Hello, I had to start a part 2 because I cannot record anything beyond 15 minutes.
Balot chicharon. Balot. Balot. Balot kayo dyan. Balot. Balot. Balot, balot. Balot.
Balut!
Balot.
Pabili nga ng,
boy.
pabili pala ng pabili nung
Bro, you only have 2 options to choose from. Bro. Why is it taking you so long to
mas
decide?
marunong ka pa sa customer.
Oh, what exactly are you buying?
Oh,
Anyways, oh yeah, the inventory is over here. Okay, bye!
Balot, balot. Balot.
Balut!
Balot kayo dyan. Balot.
Give me your money or
Balut.
else I kill you.
Balot. Balot, balot. Balot, balot. Balot. Balot kayo dyan. Balot, balot. Balot, balot. Balot chicharon.
Okay. Anyways, this is the last chicharon. So you're lucky. Goodbye!
Ay, teka lang. Nasaan yung lalaking nagtit...
He got kicked out by the barangay, local government, because he did not provide any business permit.
Pero, bakit ka...
Wait, seems like you're kicking me out of here. I got my business permit from the barangay tomorrow, so I'm legally selling here now.
Hindi naman dahil sa pinapaalis ka. Mag-ingat ka lang.
Okay, you're suspicious. Am I the next victim? Okay, bye. If you're part of the pay to kill, I just reminding you, I have a flashlight and I have a gun.
Balot chicharon. Balot. Balot. Balot, balot. Balot, balot. Balot, balot. 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 Balot.
Hello?
Balot.
Swear, if someone scares me,
Balot. Balot chicharon. Balot kayo dyan. Balot. Balot. Balot chicharon. Balot chicharon. Balot chicharon. Balot. Balot. Balot kayo dyan. Balot. Balot. Balot chicharon. Balot.
anyways,
Balot.
this balut voice is like
Balot chicharon.
making me annoyed, so I
Balut.
just turned down the volume.
Balot. Balot. Balot kayo dyan. Balot chicharon. Balot chicharon. Balot, balot. 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 Balot chicharon.
Does anyone want balut?
Balot. 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 Balut. Balut. Balut chicharon. Balut. 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 Balut balut. Balut.
Oh!
Anyways, who are you? When I just wanted to start recording, I went, "Huh! Who? You are too creepy to exist.
Ang daming weirdo ngayon, ano?
You
Sorry
scared
kung
me.
nagulat kita. Gusto ko lang namang bumili.
We ran out of chicharon. Maybe come back tomorrow."
Di ko na abot.
Please stop breaking your back.
Ay, malas ko naman ngayon.
Talaga?
Maraming salamat. May
Wow,
natira
I'm
pa
so
akong
kind.
pangkulo ng tubig.
Uy, bata. Oo nga pala. Hindi ko pwedeng sabihin. Nanonood sila sa lahat ng kailangan mo nang umalis dito.
You're back! Probably because of the pay to kill situation. Find the key. Oh, the key.
Anong ginagawa mo dito?
Oh, yan ako dito.
Bakit hindi ka muna nagtat?
Then why did you scare me?
Ako na lang ang magmumukha masyado kang pakialamero. Akin na nga ang susi. Sa susunod na gagawin mo po ulit. Hindi ka na
Dude, what do you mean meddlesome? You literally just jump scared me. My soul went out of my body for a second. Anyways. It's still locked. Night 2. I got my business permit! Yippee!
Lagi sikat ang sasabi ka ni Mami.
My name is Tong. Oh, so this is where I sleep? Nanay. Nanay.
Oo nga eh, kaya nga pinagising kita. Kaya mo na sila, ang mahalaga makuha mo. Sige, ingat ka.
Anyways. Is this where I'm going?
Ano ba ang kailangan nyo?
Hi, Barangay Captain. Just want to get my business permit for selling balut.
Ikaw ba yung nagtitinda? Okay, sige. Mag-iingat ka lang doon. Delikado kasi. Kasi bata, yung dating kaso ng pay to kill, doon sa lugar na yun ang tambayan ng mga suspect. Lahat ng mga vendor doon ay pinagpapatay. Kaya wala nang nagtitinda.
Are you sure?
Yun.
Anyways.
Natakot na sila.
Pero huwag kang mag-alala. Dahil,
Yippee!
oo bata, wag ka, ito nga pala yung business permit.
Yippee!
Tsaka nga pala, bago ka nga pala umalis. Ang tagal kasi
Bet. Oh wait, I still have to get my business permit. I love my flashlight. Guess what? I'm making a part 3.